Hey guys, as promised, these are the currency pairs that you can use to make yourself a better trader or become rich in 2025. I am going to break down for you guys these currency pairs, and I believe that these currency pairs are going to give you the best movement for 2025. So make sure you watch till the end. Watch how I am going to break down these currency pairs so that you can be able to take advantage in 2025 to trade these currency pairs and change your life for the good. Remember guys, subscribe to my channel, bring this channel to at least 10,000 subscribers guys before the end of the year. Thank you guys in that regard. So let's go on to the charts and I'll show you now the currency pairs that I see are going to show a very good movement in 2025, either bullish or bearish. Let's check them out on the charts now guys. I'll start with GBPUSD. This is a 12 months chart. As you can see, these are 12 months. I'm going to show you what I see for the upcoming year for 2025 for GBPUSD and other currency pairs. Now here we are on the 12 month chart, and what we first have to look at is the price action. We've seen that GBPUSD made a drop, a rise, a drop, a rise, then it had some small drops and rises here, then it pushed up, then it pushed down, then it pushed up. So we are seeing generally that GBPUSD is going down. Okay, it is in a massive downtrend on a yearly chart. But what we are looking at is the current price action. There is a breakout that happened here on a yearly chart. Okay, breakout that happened here. It broke out from the level of 1993, 2001, 2009, and then the price broke those levels, right? And then it retested it several times and has failed to go above that level. Price has failed to break above like this and retest to give us a pound movement to the upside. So what do we see? We see that the market has been around this area. It has retested it, gave us this massive push down. Last year, it gave us the bullish year, and this year, it has given us a small bearish year. However, it has closed bearish with a long wick on top. So what do we expect? As a person, I expect that GBP USD is going to come down to this level right here that I've marked here. So I expect a move next year, 2025, a move towards this. It may not reach here in 2025, might reach here like in 2027, okay? But next year is going to initiate the move to this level right here. Coupled with the fact that Donald Trump is going to be president, this may support the US dollar to push the pound lower to these levels right here, okay? So let me go down to the monthly chart so that we can see what that area is telling us. You can see on the monthly chart that the same area has structure which has been broken, okay? So the market is showing us for the past 3 months that it is beginning to move lower. So we are seeing the market potentially drop lower to this level as I told you earlier on, okay? Let me just reduce the size of this. Okay, so that is where the market is hopefully heading down towards. Now, what can we do to support this claim that the market is going to push down? First of all, there was a breakout of, a retest of this area. Market tried to go back to that area, but it failed to reach there, and it has given us 1, 2, 3 bearish candles, which you can also call 3 black crows on a monthly chart. So what do we do here? The first level we are going to be looking at is this level right here, okay, which extends behind here. You can see that there's a point here, point of reaction here, point of reaction here, point of reaction here, okay, and then we had a reaction right here. Price broke below, went back above, reacted here. There's a reaction here. So that level is strong. So for the first months like January, February, March, those first 3 months, GBPUSD may push to this point right here. From here, it might give us like 1 month of a retracement before it pushes lower. I expect GBPUSD to come down to this point by the end of next year or by the end of 2026. So I expect it to maybe by the least take at least a half the journey in 2025. So GBPUSD, I'm expecting it to push lower. Now let's go down to its weekly chart so that we can see if we can refine. You can see on the weekly chart it's been going down. It's also broken some small trend line right here. Okay, it's broken that trend line. It's going nicely down. There is this point right here where the pound GBPUSD could find some small resistance or support down here. Okay, might find some support down here, but ultimately this chart is looking to go down to at least this level right here. From this level is when we will be careful to wait for it to retrace a bit, for it then to fall lower. But I am seeing, if you go down to the daily chart, for those of you who love position trading and swing trading, look at the daily chart here. You will see that there is potentially a very, very, very good drop that is going to happen GBPUSD for the whole year towards the downside. So look forward for this pair GBPUSD for shorts next year, not longs, shorts for next year. Okay, so on the yearly chart on EURUSD, we see that it is going down. It is also very bearish. So we can see that this year has closed bearish. Last year closed a bit bullish, and the previous 2 years closed heavily bearish. So what do we expect? We expect that this pair is going to push down to at least close this week on that candle, to close this week. For EURUSD, I really expect that EURUSD is going to come down to fill this week right here. Okay, let me just make this red so that we distinguish it from the others. So I expect it to come to this level. Okay, now you can also argue that there is a level right here that has to be overcome right there. Okay, there's a level there that has to be overcome that was rejected, but that level is not so important that will stop the downward movement of euro dollar, especially now that Donald Trump has become the president of the United States of America. We expect that that is going to be a very, very good thing for the US dollar. So we expect that the euro dollar will continue on its downtrend to this red line here for 2025. You can see for the past 3 months, the euro dollar has created 3 black cross, and it has also broken this level right here. Okay, so we expect it to continue going lower for the first quarter of the year with at least maybe 1 month of retracement. So we expect euro dollar to push down at least to this red line by the end of 2025. We expect it to reach that red line. So if you're looking to trade, please watch out for euro dollar. Those levels I've shown you. If you're finding value with my content, please subscribe to my channel to really motivate me to bring you guys more good content. Okay, so this is a forecast for the whole year. I'm giving you these pairs for you to look at for the whole year. So you're going to be looking for shorts on euro dollar. Once this market clears this blue line here, then you'll get ready to trade. We are looking at it to clear this line, produce a candle something like that, a red candle. Let me show it to you. We want it to close below this blue line like this, then we are going to hold it long term to the red line. For you who want to position trade or like position trading, this is a good setup. Euro dollar is going to drop up to this red line here by the end of 2025. If you look at the daily chart, you can find more refinement there. So what you're waiting for now is wait for the market to break below the blue line, this blue line, then you can take your short trade and hold it up to the end of the year, something like this on a daily chart. You can do this and then put your take profit down here. Okay, down here at the red line. on the daily chart. But as the market is going down, you can keep on adding or scaling in position so that you can maximize this move and get so many pips out of this trade. So that is the direction for euro dollar. It is similar to the one for GBP USD. Okay, so that is what I'll be looking at on euro dollar. Let me just take you through some other currencies. AUDUSD, I gave you this trade setup like a month ago. Okay, I gave you like a month ago. Right now we are still even in a trade. Okay, we are still in a trade on AUDUSD, but I want you to see what I mean. Okay, so when you look at the yearly chart for AUDUSD, you can see how heavily bearish it is. Okay, so I expect AUDUSD to come down and fill this wick here at the blue line. Okay, let me make it red at that red line. Okay, so let's come down to the daily chart. Let's just skip the monthly and weekly so that we can go through the video faster. So you can see that I've already been giving most of the guys on the free Telegram and also on the VIP. I've been giving them these signals right here. Okay, but you can see that this is the target here. This red line is the target down here. That is the target for AUDUSD. If you want to hold this trade long term, you can take this trade and hold it long term to this red line. By the end of this coming year, 2025, AUDUSD will have touched this red line. So if you want to capitalize on that, you can jump on the trade and take it up to this red line right here. This trade is already running, okay, long term, as I gave this out as a free signal on my free Telegram channel. I gave you guys this signal, and this is the target down here. We are going to look at this from the yearly chart, and we see, look at the target. The target is way down here. Okay, target is way down here, but the general target for NZD USD is going to be that red line, which is going to be at least a full year. When you come to the monthly chart, you can see at that red line down here is where I expect NZD USD to come to. So this is the area here, this red line, where I expect it to reach. Okay, but for now it might give us some retracements around this level. Okay, but you can keep on trailing your stop and holding your trade up to this red line, because that is ultimately where I think NZD USD is going to go to. Okay, so I've given you those currency pairs. Let me just show you guys on gold. Let me just show you analysis on gold so that you guys can also take advantage of gold. So for gold on the yearly chart, let's look at the yearly chart. For gold on the yearly chart, we've seen that gold has been heavily bullish. Even this year has closed bullish. We expect 2025 for it to also close bullish, but it is going to first pull back down a bit after the swearing in ceremony of Donald Trump. Gold will pull back down a bit. So you wait for that pullback to complete, then you jump in on a buy for gold. I'm expecting gold to achieve not less than 3,000. Okay, but I think it will even reach 3,200 around here. Gold might reach here 3,200 on the yearly chart. Now when you come down to the monthly chart, okay, when you come back down to the monthly chart, you can see that that red line is the target where I expect gold to reach. For the past 2 months it has been bearish. I expect that it's going to produce another bearish month, okay, which is January. Might keep going down. Gold may keep going down. Then from Feb, March, it may start pushing up. So you get ready to buy gold around there. So let me show you on the daily chart. You can see that gold has been pulling back down on the daily chart. Okay, it is trying to find support down here, but I expect that gold might push lower in January, and then it will come to this level right here, okay, around there, around that level, right? Then from there, it's going to now start going up. So I would really advise you to get ready to buy gold around this area and then hold it for the entire 2025 for it to go up to that red line right there. That is what I expect for gold. So guys, please take advantage of this analysis and then look for your trades in those areas that I have shown you. Guys, if this video has brought you value, please give a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, until next year, God bless, peace, and out.